The symmetry modifier can save you about half the work of making a symmetrical model. Take this table for example. Let me hide the tabletop and select the structure underneath. You can see in the stack that I have a symmetry modifier on top. I'll turn that off, and you can see how much I actually modeled. I use symmetry to fill in the rest. And this is different than the mirror modifier, because symmetry allows you to make a more efficient mesh by slicing along the mirror plane and welding the seam together. I'll turn on edged faces and zoom in. You can expand the modifier and move the mirror plane. And as I make this object smaller, it's actually slicing the geometry along the mirror plane and welding the seam together. If you increase the threshold, it will weld the vertices on that seam together. Well, right about there is a good value because it creates fewer edges along the welded seam. Now, maybe if I was really thinking more about symmetry, I would have realized that this table has two planes of symmetry, and I might have only modeled a quarter of the table. I could use two symmetry modifiers in this case. So using symmetry requires a little forethought. You need to analyze the form that you're going to model and think about where it's symmetrical and where you can reduce your modeling effort, and you'll save a lot of time.